Here we have the first official hands-on leak image of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. At first glance, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 appears very similar to the Fold 6 based on a newly surfaced image, while the upcoming model is expected to include several upgrades, such as slightly larger displays and a slimmer design. These changes might not be enough to make the phone visually distinct from its predecessor. This photo, shared briefly by leaker Setsuna Digital on the Chinese platform Weibo, suggests the Fold 7 strongly resembles the device it's set to replace. While the design may still appeal to some users, especially since Samsung did alter the camera ring design on the Fold 6, the lack of noticeable external differences could be disappointing for those hoping for a fresh look. Careful observers might spot two subtle differences. As noted by Tom's Guide, the Fold 7 doesn't seem to feature metallic edges, which supports speculation that it will include a titanium backplate. This shift in materials should help reduce the device's thickness. If accurate, the Fold 7 could become one of the slimmest foldable phones available, though this is hard to confirm from the image, which only shows the phone's back. According to @PandaFlashPro on X/Twitter, Samsung won't be changing the price tags this year. If true, the Fold 7 will stick to its hefty $1,899 starting price, while the Flip 7 will begin at $1,099. On one hand, that's great news, new hardware without a price hike. On the other, those hoping for more affordable foldables might be disappointed. But don't lose hope just yet. Rumors hint at Samsung launching 4 foldable models this year. Maybe one of them will finally break the price barrier. However, reports suggest these models will focus on refining existing features rather than introducing groundbreaking innovations. Minor changes for the Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7. While the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition demonstrated that slim foldable phones can deliver excellent camera performance, the Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 may not follow suit with major advancements. According to a South Korean report, significant changes could be reserved for the Galaxy Z Flip 8 and Z Fold 8, set to debut in 2026. An executive from Fastprint, Samsung's first high-density interconnect HEI supplier for the Galaxy S25 series, revealed the company's sales goals. Samsung reportedly aims to sell 6 million units of the Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 combined. This figure contrasts with an ambitious 7 million unit target for the Z Flip 8 and Z Fold 8, suggesting Samsung is betting on future innovation to drive sales. The foldable phone's sales forecast comes amidst broader industry challenges for Samsung. In 2025, the company plans to sell 230 million smartphones, a notable drop from the pre-pandemic peak of 300 million units in 2019. The effects of the pandemic and ongoing market shifts have capped recovery, with 2024 smartphone sales reportedly around 222 million units. Samsung's Galaxy S24 performed strongly in 2024, selling 35 million units, surpassing the Galaxy S23 series. Expectations for the Galaxy S25 series are even higher, with a projected 37 million units sold, potentially rivaling the success of the iconic Galaxy S10 series. Breakdown of Galaxy S25 production plans. Galaxy S25, 13 to 14 million units. Galaxy S25 Plus, 6 to 7 million units. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 17 million units. The Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 may offer evolutionary improvements rather than revolutionary features, but Samsung remains optimistic about its future foldable lineup. A report from South Korean source, The Bell, cited by Sammobile, indicates that mass production of both models is scheduled to begin in May. This information comes from Samsung Display, which is providing the screens for the devices. This timeline aligns well with the July release, and the article notes a foldable launch planned for the second half of the year, according to a Google Translate version of the original. It's likely that Samsung will host another Unpacked event for the announcement. Samsung fans have expressed frustration over how the company has handled the One UI 7 Android 15 update. Its official rollout is set to begin later than any previous One UI version, leaving many Galaxy phone and tablet users disappointed and eager for the new features. This delay has also sparked concerns about whether future updates like One UI 8 might face similar setbacks. However, multiple reports suggest that Samsung is aiming for a much faster release with One UI 8 based on Android 16. In fact, it's rumored that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 will debut in the second half of the year with Android 16 and One UI 8 pre-installed. The good news, according to our sources, those foldables will indeed ship with the latest Android and One UI version out of the box. If true, it's likely that the One UI update for existing devices like the Galaxy S25 will roll out far earlier than One UI 7 did. Rumors suggest that the Z Fold 7 may draw inspiration from the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, a slimmer, sleeker model with slightly larger displays currently exclusive to South Korea and China. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 may not bring significant hardware upgrades. New regulatory filings add to the disappointment. Both devices were recently spotted on China's 3C certification website, which typically lists charging speeds for upcoming smartphones. The listings confirm their model numbers, SMF 9660 and SMF 7660. But the more concerning detail lies in their charging capabilities. According to supporting documents via Expert Pick, both foldable were tested using the EPTA 800 charger, 9V/2.77 ampere, which delivers a maximum output of 25 watts. Additionally, rumors suggest the company is developing a trifold device anticipated for release in 2025. Alongside these foldable, the company may also introduce a more affordable Z Flip variant. Leaks have already revealed several design details, and now newly surfaced third-party accessories appear to reinforce those rumors. Images shared on X showcase a protective case for the Galaxy Z Flip 7, with dimensions that align with reports of a larger Moto Razr-style cover display. Earlier leaks suggested a full cover screen measuring 4.05 inches, and these new images further support that claim. Another leak features a screen protector for the Galaxy Z Fold 7, appearing both taller and wider than its predecessor. This aligns with previous reports suggesting an improved cover display for better usability when the device is folded shut. As the launch date approaches, more leaks of this nature are expected. With Samsung likely finalizing the specifications and design, mass production should begin in the coming months. Rumors suggest that the Z Fold 7 may draw inspiration from the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, a slimmer, sleeker model with slightly larger displays currently exclusive to South Korea and China. The device is expected to feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, though past rumors have hinted at the possibility of an Exynos 2500 variant. Samsung typically unveils its foldable lineup during its annual Galaxy Unpacked event in July or August, and the same schedule is likely for 2025. Expected Galaxy Z Fold 7 deals. Samsung, up to $1,200 trade-in credit. Verizon, up to $1,000 off with a trade-in and an unlimited plan. T-Mobile, up to $1,000 off. Go 5G Plus/Next or $600, $800 off with a new line. AT&T, up to $1,000 off with a trade-in and an unlimited plan. Expected storage options, 256 gigs, 512 gigs, 1 TB. Add to the disappointment. Both devices were recently spotted on China's 3C certification website, which typically lists charging speeds for upcoming smartphones. The listings confirm their model numbers, SMF 9660 and SMF 7660. But the more concerning detail lies in their charging capabilities. According to supporting documents via Expert Pick, both foldable were tested using the EPTA 800 charger, 9V/2.77 ampere, which delivers a maximum output of 25 watts. An accompanying image further confirms the charger's name. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.